I'm the Wandering Wonderbread, and welcome to my new series where I will be unboxing a candle a month from Bubble and Geek. Now, if I would have known sooner that they were doing a candle of the month, I would have been doing this forever. I'm very excited. I own already, like not counting this month's candle, 15 of their candles, and that's not counting the ones that I've already used completely. So I'm very excited to have started getting this candle of the month from Bubble and Geek, and I can't wait to see what we get. Thank you so much for watching. For September's Candle of the Month from Bubble and Geek, we have unboxed the Pumpkin Carriage candle, and it smells absolutely amazing. It is an enchanting blend of pumpkin and spices, brightened with sweet peach and apple, and it really smells like a bakery at fall time. Like it is that good. I highly recommend you go out and get it. I'm going to put more information about how you can buy from Bubble and Geek down in the descriptions area. You can go to their website or Etsy, and I will list both of those down below. So make sure you go and check them out and get a candle yourself. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss next month's candle of the month.